Hi everyone, it's Tip with ProTip Academy, and today I'll be showing you how I do a Brazilian wax with cleanup strips. So first you want to prep your client. I like to work in equal and opposite sections, so you'll see me lay 3 main strips here, which are the inner thighs and half of the top area. And as you can see, I will be pulling those strips in the order that I have applied them. And the next main strip I'll be laying is the other half of the top area and a main labia strip. While I have 2 main strips going, I will also start my cleanup strips. So I'm going on the opposite direction for one of the inner thighs, and then I'm going in with a main labia strip. For all cleanup strips, I like to go in the opposite direction of hair growth. For the top area, I like to go all the way from one end to the other. I am not splitting it in half for the cleanup strips. Once I have completed all of my cleanup strips, I will go in with tweezers if needed and finish the surface with post oil.